Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best motorcycle toolkit is probably one of the most essential things for any motorcycle owner. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into a top-rated motorcycle toolkit, exploring its features, build quality, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect companion for your rides. Number 5. Ryker Roll-Up Tool Bag, Gifts for Dad. Looking for a tool bag that fits all your needs? This small tool bag is surprisingly spacious. You'll be amazed by how many tools it can hold. This roll-up tool bag features 4 large compartments and 2 detachable pouches. It's a unique design, perfect for mechanics and anyone needing organized tool storage. The D-loops add extra convenience. Keep your tools organized and easily transport them. You can hang this tool roll in your garage or take it with you as a mechanic bag. It's a small, convenient solution. Made from heavy-duty materials, this tool kit is built to last. It's as strong as a canvas tool bag and will keep your tools safe even in tough work conditions. It's a compact and reliable tool organizer. This tool wrap roll is the perfect gift for any man. It can be used as a boat, car, or motorcycle tool roll, or even as an emergency kit. Use it on the road or in the workshop. Buy this tool roll pouch with confidence. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can trust the quality of this canvas roll-up tool bag. What we like. This tool roll's roll-up design is perfect for convenient storage. It also features detachable pouches, a unique feature for easy access. If you are looking for a compact and organized solution for your tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Seemingly very well made with quality components. The zippers and canvas are heavy-duty, which I appreciate. Each pouch holds quite a bit, so I have the socket sets in one, the standard wrenches in another, the metric, and miscellaneous in the others. The detachable pouches and roll-out design make it easy to organize individual tools, whether sockets, wrenches, or pliers. Number 4. Hi-Spec 67 PC Auto Mechanic Tool Set. This comprehensive tool kit is designed for various repairs. It includes all the essential tools you need for routine maintenance and emergency fixes on your car, motorcycle, or RV. Get your repairs done faster with the easy 2-way turning 3/8 ratcheting wrench. This set includes a comprehensive range of metric sockets, all made with CRV steel. Easily access hard-to-reach areas with the extension bars and universal joint. This is perfect for navigating tight engine spaces and tricky angles without any hassle. Get a firm grip on any job with versatile hand tools like adjustable wrenches and pliers. They all come with non-slip grips, ensuring confident handling in any situation. Keep your tools organized and ready for action with the durable storage case. It's perfect for keeping in the trunk or under the seat for on-the-go repairs. What we like. This tool set is an all-in-one repair solution, perfect for various repairs. It offers quick and smooth socket work, saving you time and effort. If you need a comprehensive and portable tool kit for your car, motorcycle, or RV, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I was impressed right away with the socket wrench, which has 72 teeth for finely tuned turning. The modular screwdriver has the bits necessary for the majority of issues. This tool kit is boxed sanity. It contains both metric and standard sizing tools. Number 3. Apollo Tools 56-piece Auto Tool Set. This compact tool set is perfect for car emergencies and on-the-go repairs. It's designed to be small and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel. The set includes 56 essential tools for various automotive tasks. It's a comprehensive kit that covers most common repair needs. The tools come in a convenient zippered case, keeping everything organized. This ensures that it's easy to find what you need when you need it. Whether you're dealing with a car or motorcycle, this tool set has you covered. It's a versatile kit suitable for roadside repairs. This tool set is designed with travel in mind. It's compact, lightweight, and ready for any unexpected mechanical issues. What we like. This tool set is designed with a compact design, perfect for emergencies. It comes in a zippered case, making it easy to store and carry. If you are looking for a small mechanic tool set for car emergency or motorcycle repair on the road, you should consider this. What people say. The kit includes a comprehensive set of tools, covering a wide range of motorcycle maintenance tasks. The tools are well organized in a durable case, making it easy to find what you need. The quality of the tools is excellent, with a good selection of sizes and types. Number 2. CRV46 PCS 14-inch drive socket set. This 46-piece set includes a wide array of sockets, bits, and wrenches. It has everything you need for various repair tasks. You'll find it incredibly versatile. Inside, you'll discover 13 sockets ranging from 4mm to 14mm, along with 21 drive socket bits. It also includes Allen wrenches, extension bars, a universal joint, and a quick-release ratchet. This set is designed to cover a wide range of needs. Featuring a quick-release switch and reversible mechanism, it's easy to operate. The ergonomic handle is slip-resistant and oil-resistant, ensuring comfortable use. The quick-release button allows for easy, one-handed operation. Made from premium chrome vanadium steel, it's built for durability. It has undergone multiple quenching and hardening treatments for increased strength. The mirror-polished surface extends its rust-proof lifespan. Perfect for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and household repairs. It's suitable for handymen, mechanics, and construction workers. This set is a great addition to any toolbox. We offer a 6-month lifetime warranty to ensure your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This set includes multiple sockets, covering a wide range of needs. It features easy operation with a quick-release switch. If you are a handyman or mechanic looking for a versatile and reliable socket set, this is a great choice. What people say. I needed a small inexpensive 4-inch drive set that had driver tips, sockets, and Torx bits. It also has extension and a ratchet. Great to have in the trunk for a small tool kit for minor repairs. Without the spark plug screw, most of the common car screws covered by this. Produit Compact Trace Pratique JE Recommend L article. Number 1. Oxford OX770 Bike Tool Kit Pro. This is the Oxford OX770 Bike Tool Kit Pro. It's designed for quick repairs on your motorcycle, motorbike, or scooter. It's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for emergencies. The kit features ergonomic, soft gel handles. These are designed for comfortable use, even during extended repair sessions. You'll appreciate the difference these make. Inside, you'll find chrome vanadium steel sockets, an extension bar, and hex keys. These are built to last, providing durability and reliability. You can count on it for years to come. The mini ratchet handle has a robust mechanism that requires only 5 degrees of movement. This is ideal for working in tight spaces. It makes fastening bolts a breeze. This kit includes a 20mm adjustable mini spanner, suitable for most motorcycle bolts. It also comes with a 10-PC screwdriver bit set, mini wire cutters, and more. It has everything you need. Included are an extension bar, 5-PC hex key set, screwdriver handle, mini needle nose pliers, and sockets. Cable ties are also included. This kit has you covered. What we like. This tool kit features ergonomic, soft gel handles for comfortable use. It's made with durable chrome vanadium steel for long life. If you like a compact tool kit for your motorbike or scooter, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a nice little basic tool kit, and does fit under the seat of my Moto Guzzi as described. Lightweight and has pretty much what you would need in a rush if on the road, pretty solid also. Small and compact with a good selection of tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.